Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Draw So Cute Back to School girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl inspired by You Cuties, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And, oops. Fix my circle. Let's come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now that I have my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Now with my eyes in, I'm going to spruce them over some lashes. So let's come to the edge right here, and we're just going to draw maybe just two curves. So same thing here. And one more. And then let's draw her brow. So we're going to go up, say about this high, and just draw a soft arc right over the eye. And same thing on the other side. All right here. There. And let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So right in the center, about right here, go ahead and draw a curve, the slightly goes upwards, and cap it off. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, right next to these lashes, give myself a point. Same thing here, since I made those lashes so long, and I do want her hair close to her eye. So I'm going to come right here, just get really close to her eye, and I'm just going to start to draw bottom of a U. And let's find my center, so about right there, and just kind of imagine I want her chin to be about right here. And I'm just going to start to angle it, my curve, towards that point. And same thing here, so definitely turn your body or the paper. There. So now I have her chin in. This side's a little bit wider. Let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's go up, and we're going to imagine an oval for her head. So let's say about right here in the center. Give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw a curve coming down all the way to where we started. So very slanted. You're going to want her hair parted right in the center and really close to her face. There. And that's like the latest rage of the hairstyle, where it's just parted in the center and comes straight down. Then from there, let's see here. Bring this down. And then let's go up right in the center where it parts. And we're going to go up about right here, and then we're just going to go up and part it down. So same thing on both sides. And this part is going to be a little bit flatter, and then it's going to curve down. So same thing here, flatter and then curve down. There. Okay, so then from there, you put in some parting lines if you like. And let's draw the rest of her hair later. Let's work on her body first. So we're going to come to the center, about right here and here. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down for her shoulders. Same thing here. There. And then now that we have that in, let's imagine where, kind of like where her armpit area would be, say about right here. About right here. And I'm going to draw angle line out. so I just kind of know where I'm working with here. And then before I finish out, let's come back into this area. I'm just going to give her a wide neckline for her top. So I'm just making it like a cut off top. So say about that short, and then I'm just going to wobble my way across right there. And then let's give her some sleeves, short sleeves, and then bring it in. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's keep going. We're going to give her a little waist. So I'm going to come in, little angle, and then let's draw in a curve to cut it off for her pants. So let's find the center. So let's say about right here, we're going to give her some, let's see here, about right here. Let's draw a little angle line. And this is where her legs are going to start. So let's come over here, give a little bit angle, and then bring it in. Angle, and then bring it in. So let's work on this leg. So I'm giving her really wide pants. So let's come down. Let's see here. Let's keep going. So just see how long you want her. Maybe about there. About there, okay. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off. And so same thing here. So it's just gonna maybe just part a little bit towards the bottom. About there, and then same thing here. And cut it off. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're just going to draw her shoe. Very simple shoe. I'm just going to curve out and curve out and then connect. So we're just seeing a little bit of her shoe and then a little bit of her sole. There. So same thing here. This one is a little bit better. And curve there for her shoes. And then let's see, let's draw in some detail for her pants. Come back and give her right here the waist area, a button, maybe some pockets, center line. And if you like, you can make them kind of like cargo pants perhaps. So come right here and add a pocket. Same thing here. Some baggy cargo pants. And let's see. Then her arms. So let's come right here, and I'm going to have her arms next to her body. So her hands are going to end about right here. So let's curve out, and about right here we're going to start to come in. And let's draw in her thumb. Go around for fingers. And let's connect everything. So bring it in and connect there. And then this hand I thought would be really cool because she have a phone in her hand, of course, right? So let's imagine her shoulders. So it's going to come down. And once again, we're just going to go down, and then we're going to flare it out a little bit to about right there. And then we're going to use this part of her outfit. So let's bring this down. And so about right here, we're going to draw a thumb. So we're going to come out. We're going to hook a thumb right there. And then in this space, I'm going to angle in a phone. So I'm going to draw a little angle line. So this is our phone. So whatever angle you draw there, just make sure you're drawing a nice size rectangle for your phone. So, and then say about right here, I'm just going to Draw little curves, round it off for some fingers, and then finish off my phone. There. Okay, so hopefully that looks like she's holding, and then we can put in some circles or something just so we know it's a phone, hopefully. Okay, then from there, let's see here, let's finish the rest of her. Well, actually, you know what? Let's draw her backpack, because this is back to school, right? So this would just be like a typical Draw So Cute girl, but if you wanted to have her wear a backpack, let's come back into this area where her armpit is. And I'm going to erase this, but I just wanted to show you. Let's draw a curve right here. And we're going to put in a strap and pop this part out. So same thing here. Into the armpit area. Pop it out to draw in the strap for her backpack. And then we can just kind of imagine her backpack is, say, about right here. We just draw a curve. Right here. And so I'm going to come in here real quick and wipe this out. So that's if you want to give her a backpack. There. And then now we can go ahead and finish off her hair. So let's come over here. Nice straight long hair. Give it a little curl maybe, and then just bring it in. So same thing here. There. Then bring this in a little bit more. And oops, I made a mess right here. And last but not least, let's add a heart, of course. So right in the center, I'm just going to add a whimsical heart to make this my newest Draw So Cute girl, back to school Draw So Cute girl. I really hope you love her just as much as all the other ones I've drawn so far. And thank you, cuties, for all your support and helping me name her. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.